Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the question answer of the special prize. This is written by Anand Dev Sharma. Now, the first question is: do you think what Tapan did with the ox was actually an act of bravery? Answer: Tapan tried to tame the ox with a lot of courage, and this act was considered an act of bravery. As ox was managing the locality, to tame such kind of animal, bravery is needed. Same was done by Tapan. You know what? If we are going to tame any animal, of course we need bravery for that. Same thing was, you can say, possessed by Tapan. So that's why Tapan showed his bravery also and his good thought also by performing this deed. Okay, now next question. What was the special prize given to Tapan? Share your experience of winning a prize. What was the special prize? You know that you have read the lesson and the story. You know the special prize. Who got this? Tapan. Share your experience of winning a prize. Tapan got the special prize for the student with the best character, in which he got 3 books: the biographies of Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Lal Bahadur Shastri. Students will share their own experience. You know, this was the gift attained, or you can say achieved, by Tapan. But you people, what you have got as a prize, you can share your own experiences. Okay. Now I am going to tell you, or you can say I am going to show you some question answers. Those are multiple choice questions. Read the words in italics in these sentences who are being referred to by speakers. Tick the correct answer. Now the first question, that is why I and the other boys threw stones at his shop. You know, here's the shop. If we can see correctly, this is in italic letter. You can see, I'm going to show you. This is in italic. So Mohan, headmaster, shopkeeper, or Ratan. That is why I and other boys threw stones at his shops. Who was the person at the shop they threw stones? Who was that? Shopkeeper. That's why shopkeeper is correct answer. Who asked you who asked you to ride an ox during school hours? You know who was riding the whole ox? That was Tapan. And who asked you? You means, here is what? You is in italic, we will see. Tapan, Mahesh, headmaster, or old woman? Who asked you? That means Tapan. This is the question asked from Tapan. Okay, I will walk you home. Who said this? You know that a lady met him and he helped her. So I will walk you home. You is for what? Tapan, Naren, Mahesh, or the old woman? This was for old woman. Now another question. Tick the correct answer in each. On seeing Tapan, the headmaster's temple boiled over. You know what? When headmaster saw Tapan and he got very angry, because can you tell me why? Tapan failed in exams. There was another complaint lodged against Tapan. Tapan missed the classes, or Tapan misbehaved with his teacher. So what was the real reason why his temper boiled over? Because there was another complaint lodged against Tapan. This is your correct answer. Okay, Tapan was given the special prize because he was good in academics, or good in sports, or naughty he was, or helpful and kind. The main thing of him was he was helpful and kind. That's why you can say special prize was given to him. Okay, now next question. Read and answer. Reading skills. Read the extracts given below. What happened after each of these situations? Write in your notebooks. One has been done for you. Send for him. The headmaster shouted for Chokidar. The headmaster ordered Mohan to get Tapan. This statement was said by whom? Or you can say, By who was the person and who said to whom? So headmaster ordered Mohan to get Tapan. So this was the statement. Now our next question. Next question, B part. He chased me out of his shop. The boys threw stones at his shop. How heartless they are, the old woman began, panting for breath. The headmaster scolded Naren and Mahesh and sent them away. This was said by whom? How heartless they are. The lady was over there and she said to headmaster. The old woman began panting. And what happened? Then headmaster scolded Naren and Mahesh and sent them away. Okay. Now next question. What made Tapan the ringleader of the village boys? All friends of Tapan liked him a lot. You know that Tapan was also having a group. He was having many friends. And he was quite able to take up the cudgels. Cudgels means decision on their behalf. Because that's why he was standing as a ringleader. This task made Tapan the ringleader of the village boys. Now next question. How did Tapan control the ox? What damage did the ox do in the school? A furious ox menaced the locality and injured several people. We all people know that ox entered the locality. Of course, he was in the locality and he was doing a very much damage over there, injured several people. The effrontery means arrogance of it aroused Tapan's spirit. Tapan means Tapan also made a decision that he is going to tame this animal with a piece of string and stave means stick. He approached it. He went to it and jumped on its back to put the string in its mouth. In order to tame the animal, stick, stave and string both are needed and these were used by Tapan. Okay, the ox crashed into the school compound and then into the room of class 7th. What happened after some time? It entered where? It entered the room and of course the school later on in the room of class 7th. Several glass panes were broken by the horns of the wild prancing animal. Why he said that he is a prancing animal? Because he was not tamed, half tamed you can say, and he was just moving in a wild way. So that's why we are saying that prancing, like an animal when it's going to make a charge or attack. That's why. Okay, now next question. What kind of a boy do you think Tapan was? Give examples from the text to support your answer. Intelligence, kind-heartedness and bravery are the virtues which get totally reflected in his character. We all people have read the story. We came to know that he was very helpful to other persons and animals as well. Tapan assisted old woman and nursed the ox also. These two things contribute to depict him as a boy of values. That means he was a person of values, he was possessing many virtues, he was a good person. So that was. Why did Naren and Mahesh make fun of Tapan? What does this say about their characters? We know that these two were making fun of whom? Tapan. Why? Because Tapan was helping the old lady and these two were just making fun. Now let's read the answer. Naren and Mahesh both remained happy. To see Tapan scolded by headmaster. You know what? Tapan was scolded by headmaster. They both were very happy to see that Tapan was scolded. Derisive smile of theirs at the time of assistance made by Tapan to the old woman highlighted their character in a bad light. You know what? They both were, you can say those other two students, they were behaving in a very bad manner. Why? Because they did not help the old lady. Only Tapan was helping and ultimately Tapan was scolded by headmaster. Said they both started making fun of him and that's why their character have been shown in a bad light. Now next question, do you think Tapan deserved the best character prize? Discuss and write. Yes, we think Tapan deserved the best character prize because Tapan was a very helpful person and he was a kind-hearted person, very nice person he was. The virtues possessed by him always highlighted him as a true human being, because we all people know that we can do work and we can earn, but what are the things make a people human? Those are kind-heartedness and of course good thoughts, bravery. These are the things one should possess. Who was always ready to take up the task for the sake of humanity. Okay. Now, reference to context. It is in agony. Who said this? To whom? Tapan made this statement. Who said, that when he was nursing the X, so at that time he said to headmaster that it is in agony. Who said? Tapan to headmaster. Who is being referred to as it? See now, it refers to the ox, means it is used for ox. Why was it in agony? See, the ox was hurt by some wicked boys. Its leg was broken. Some wicked boys. Wicked boys means bad boys came to ox, or you can say approached ox and hurt the ox. So that's why his leg got broken. Okay, now the next question. What did the speaker do to lessen the agony of it? The Tapan crushed a few medicinal leaves and dressed the injured leg of the ox with the pulp. Okay.